you. There's a lot of technobabble out there. And that's kind of why I appreciate the educator in you, because you kind of cut through that and help people make sense of things that are just complicated when they don't have to be. There's so many definitions of branding out there. And most likely, whatever your opinion is, that's a piece of it. So you're on track. What I love to do is simplify the heck out of everything so that we can keep taking those steps forward, because that's what's going to bring us to success. So branding, you ready for the really, really simple definition?
You like simple here. Very simple and quick.
Like 2 words. It's 2 words.
Oh, all right.
Branding is your promise.
Oh.
It's your promise.
I like that.
What if you just, think of branding as your promise?
Okay. A promise to your community, or a promise to who? There's what?
Great question. It's a promise to everybody. So you do need to kind of check off that list of who are your multiple audiences, because you have more than one. It's who's ever in your world, right?
Right.
Whether it's team members, your strategic partners, obviously your clients, your customers, your employees, everybody who touches your business.
That's an interesting little point there, that it's everyone, even employees. That's a concept I hadn't thought about.
Yeah, your employees are probably the most important. I really have a lot of experience in healthcare and senior care and service-related industries. And we always start with employees first, team members first, because if they're not buying into what that promise is or the brand, how on earth are your clients or your customers ever going to buy into it?
Yeah, that's huge.
So there's, good. That's awesome.
No.